Hello friends, welcome to our channel and also welcome to the topic today, that is GST implication on sale of completed building. Building in its ordinary sense means a structure designed for habitation, shelter, storage, or it may be for trade, manufacturing or business purpose, or for religious purpose or education and the like. Now let's check whether the sale of completed building is taxable under GST. Entry 5 of Schedule 3 of CGST Act sets out that the sale of completed building wherein the entire consideration, let me repeat, where the entire consideration for sale of such building is received after the issuance of completion certificate by the competent authority or after its first occupation, whichever is earlier, would be kept outside the ambit of GST levy. So in short, the three key factors which would result in sale of completed building being non-taxable under GST are that the entire consideration being received after the issuance of completion certificate or after its first occupation, whichever is earlier. So to conclude, friends, even if a part of a consideration is received before the issuance of completion certificate by the competent authority or its first occupation, then the entire consideration, entire amount is leviable to GST. Well, thank you friends for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please hit that like button and also share this video among your friends and subscribe to this channel in more numbers. Thank you.